social skills like teamwork, build problem-solving abilities, and learn.
We are interrupting your daily programming to issue a national emergency. Please stand by. The United States Air Force and United States government has issued a national emergency. 10 nuclear missiles has been launched from North Korea. The missile will impact the following areas in the next 30 minutes. Seattle, Washington. Boston, Massachusetts. New York. Austin, Texas. All of Hawaii. Denver, Colorado. All of Florida. McJuggernuggets, California. All of Oregon. And all of North Carolina. We advise you seek fallout shelter immediately. If you cannot find a shelter, get to the lowest floor of the building. Close all doors and windows. And have a battery-powered radio. Tune to stations providing news and information. If you are not in this area, please take shelter anyways. We will keep you updated on this emergency.